Testing 1 2. Good morning. Good morning. Listen, I'm gonna give you the quick answer because I know there's a lot of hooting and haveling pencil necks in the chat tonight. From the shorts last night, took a little loss on them. Fucking this morning, and flipped, and that's how fucking trading goes, man. I don't know if it was this morning or last night though. I think it was this morning when I saw the hourly signs and we were going into it. And guys, that wasn't like a seriously fucking crazy fucking trade anyways. God damn. The price goes up and down differently every single day. The macro pictures don't change on a fucking dime. I love watching you pencil necks. Anyways, I just woke up. Make some coffee. Oh, yeah, wait, what I wanted to say was, I told my group that this one pissed me off. In the macro, though in the macro, it will probably go down by sometime tomorrow even. I can't hold a multi-million-dollar position in the red for a full day and open myself to a greater loss. So this one stings. No excuses. We'll be watching the hourly, and I can just see signs from multiple indicators that we might go sideways up or an hourly-esque time frame pump. Literally fucking 20 minutes after that shit, it kept on going. So fucking got in at 3,011 on ETH. And we're throwing a Hail Mary to fucking make our money back. That's pretty much it. We're pretty fucking close. Pretty close. Turn down the party. So we got some news. We got some news for the CF community. I gotta talk about with you guys some good news. Some good news. We're gonna change things up a little bit here. Let me open up the window. So for a long time, folks, we've been talking about the problems with Discord and just Discord as a whole. Discord as a whole being an absolutely terrible platform, not only for our community, for a lot of people, it's been a fucking nightmare. For me, it certainly has been. It's served some purposes and effective community place, but it's been terrible. With how scammers can just change their username to match the same ID number and name as you no more. And I told you folks that after perusing through 8, 9, 10 different companies, Slack wanted over $1 million a year from us to host an MC community. And so we decided to just build our fucking own. Now this type of thing is a work in progress, but I want to let me see if fuck. I wanted some pictures. I thought I took some pictures, but I guess I didn't. Oh, whatever. Let's get to the fucking price action. My God, a little bit of price movement and everyone acts like we're already at 100,000. Jesus Christ. You guys are fucking crazy. You guys are fucking crazy. It's going to be a real man stream tonight. Okay? This is a real boy stream tonight. We're going to 100,000. We came down, we came back, 100,000. Even though that technically we've been in a bear trend, the price has gone down and has been lower than it ever has been since April. Now listen, who gives a fuck? We don't. We're traders. Today will be long, tomorrow will be short. The next day will be long, the next day will be short. The next day will be short, the next day will be long, the next day will be long. I will say that Feels like I've been in a blender with rubber blades for the past week because I've been having these little losses, and granted, been able to make them back, but today's just another example of taking a loss. Could have been a hell of a lot worse, but cut the bait and said, cutting it, and I'll make it back. Been doing this for 4 years. I do have a target on this trade. I mean, the hourly is what obviously sold it. There's a couple things we could go over. The curvature, you know. It's the same thing every time. We thought, you know, everyone thought, when I say we, I mean the, you know, community, even this, when we were coming back up, it's going to 100K, it's going to 100K, or it's going to 20,000 east, 10,000. Oh, it's price came down a lot, now it's going up, we're going to a fucking 100,000. If my microphone is fucked up, it's because I threw it against the wall today when I took that loss this morning, and I'm surprised it's still in kind of one piece. A bunch of things are kind of popped out. Do I sound different? Does the microphone sound worse, or does it sound the same? I was playing League of Legends with my brother, and closed a fucking $200,000 loss trade and fucking got killed, and I just had to throw some shit, just had to break some shit. It really pissed me off. What a child. If I'm a child, what are you? I make a lot more than you. Willing to bet. Let's take big bank, little bank. If you know, you had thousands of people watching you, relying on you, depending on you, listening to what you say, and you got something wrong, how would you feel, man? Or would you just not give a fuck? I care about my people, and I care about the things I say. Yeah, the chat is cringy, boy, I tell you. God. But that's how it is, man. That's how it is. That's how it is. And I think that just the majority of motherfuckers just ain't traders, man. They're the hodlers. Where is Ripple at? Did Ripple have a good pump? It did. Good for it. God, I almost sold it. Fucking, when I sold Solano, I bought a little bit of Ripple. I almost fucking cracked on that one. I almost fucking sold it. Let's get back to, okay, hang on, this is relevant, though. The daily does have a little VWAP coming up. And a momentum clipping. I mean, so far, this is nothing out of the ordinary. This is to be expected. I don't think we're ready to drop 15%. I don't see how this is out of the ordinary. I don't see how this move gives us, you know, a defining. It's going fucking straight to 100K when on every single downtrend it drops, it comes up, it drops, it comes up, and right now it's absolutely, there is no change in this pattern. There is no change in the bearish formation. Money flow coming down here. This is on the 12-hour, right? Bigger, a little smaller, bigger, boop, little red, dipped it, boom, we came back up in the green, now even more red. So we're probably going to come back up in the green, and if this trend continues, then, you know, red comes up in the green, and then we have a bigger red. So according to the 12-hour, ain't nothing out of the ordinary here. Now, I will say this. Man, Bitcoin crypto can feel so strong one day and it can feel so weak the next. And that's just how it is, man. That's just how it is. Like I see why people can feel. I understand how people feel that, like, oh, Bitcoin's going to 100,000. It's going there right now. Like, fuck yeah, this changes everything. Like, today's action changes everything. I get it. Oh, the Evergrande news. It's the Lehman Brothers. It's not. It's a fucking real estate builder. They don't hold no leverage fucking trades. Big Chinese companies go down every single day. You're being force-fed the fucking news. The girl getting kidnapped. You're getting force-fed the... My windows... Oh, yes, my windows are open for the rain outside. What are we talking about? Oh, we were on the rant. Why did you get banned from Discord? Don't ask me, bro. Fucking, you probably did something stupid. Don't ask me. Or you also hid it. Maybe you hid the channel. Biggest head game of our generation? Very well put, Carl. I would say so. Talk about it. Talk about a head game. Yep. I will say she did break free of the spider line right here, and the hourly, obviously this had the nicest like curvature that we've seen as of late in this little trend here. This is where we actually shorted, where I shorted. Was right here, and I knew it was kind of, it was a little risky. The 30-minute was chugging. I'm glad I exited that trade and knew when to walk away. And you know, of course, there was people saying, you know, at 3,000 he exited at resistance. I'm like, nah. I mean, I even said when I exited that this thing's probably going to fucking pump. It's going to go sideways up or an hourly-esque time frame pump, which is exactly what fucking happened. And you know, yeah, you bet your ass I was bearish. Ethereum went down to 26,050 or 2,650. Bitcoin down to 39,650. Oops. I am thinking that a lot of people are talking about 3160 for Ethereum as an exit, so I'm looking right below it at 3130. Now I missed this first time it hit 3130, but if she's able to get back there, I am gonna take some profits because this just about recovered everything I lost. So and then I'll live to fight another day, man. Why don't I just put in the title of video long or short, man? People can see for themselves. If they can't, I mean, you really gotta think about it, brother. Think about it. Now, yeah, I'm going to be looking to take profit soon. I am looking to get out of these trades. I am looking to get out, and we are going to have to limit out a bunch of this. So let's fucking get started. And we're going to have to spread the field on this one. This is a big contract. Six times 14. I don't have a time frame for any bull or bear market. I'm not a bull or bear market guessing guy. I don't like using those terms, and I think people are hella fucking late. It's like being a moving average. They're talking about moving averages, man. By the time, okay, we're in a bear market, the price has already gone down 70% or 90%. Now, my question is this just going to be a bear trend little green and just more into the bloody red? This is a big, deep red cut right here. And, you know, we're just going to play it day by day. See how hard it is to limit exit sometimes? Got about half our trade in limit exits set here. We'll see if they can buy me out. Might just have to fat finger it. What's up, James? Solano. Okay, well, came up to 150. It was making me a decent buck. But, what's going on here? Fuck. See how hard it is to fucking limit exit sometimes, bro. I tell you. Boy, I tell you. Boy, I tell you. What if I just market sell? Then I market sell. And that's what I'm probably gonna yabba dabba do. See if we can sneak in little ones down the way here. We just keep pushing the how much can we push the price down? You know, how much can we push the price down? Your boy's holding up the market. Your boy's holding up the market. How long have I been in crypto? 4 or 5 years? 4 years? 4.5 years? Not that long. Just as much as you guys. What will happen if I market sell my order? The book would be able to absorb it pretty good. I'm looking at the contracts. Here's a 120. Here's a 98. It'd be able to. It would be all right. I want to see if this puppy can recover, if it's time to just fucking dump on the market. I woke up a little too late. Lighten the books a little bit here. Can't trust these, man. We're in a bear trend. Can't trust these. When did I decide to go in? At 3011. Squeak a little something out right there. Come on. Yeah, at least give me that. At least give me that. 31087. That's us right there. gonna see if I can squeeze out a Solano if this gets a little juice left in her.
Market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. Only one logical thing to do. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hot on coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market look embarrassed by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. Sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some ruffle chips. Sink 'em like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. Crypto face is the truth. He can even show you proof. This is market cipher school. Rory made you say, ooh, wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view. Waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it Blue's Clue. Portfolio diversified. Keep my balance classified. Scared to look, you terrified. But when you did, you almost died. All good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise. Couldn't believe your eyes. Where the hell did your money go? You like, oh my God, what the fuck happened? Bitcoin dumping in my sleep. Woke up to a market sweep. That's the reason I don't sleep. Keep my eyes on the prize. Bought some Hex and Cardano. Fear of missing out. FOMO, that's a no-no. Yeah, I know, bro, but I still do the shit. I'm just trying to hit a lick, so I think I just might buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hot on coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market look embarrassed. Buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip. The market crashed on me, but it's not my ass, homie. Time to rise up out the flames like a motherfucking phoenix. Flying high in the sky, and I motherfucking mean it. Put it all on the house, I can't help it cause I'm greedy. Got a family, gotta feed it. All my followers, man, they need me. We can all get rich together, talk about financial freedom. BTC, ETH, XRP, that's a threesome. Three-way. Blockchain tokens got your boy really eating. Cryptocurrency is a gift from God. All praises to the Most High. Help me beat the odds, playing smart so I don't get wrecked like you pencil next. Where a crew call me Spider-Man, the way I spider line. Until we position, then I exit trades right on time. Might tell you a secret, but I'll never drop a dime. Favorite pastime, sitting back, watching candles climb. If they go the other way, keep calm and don't trip. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. By the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hot on coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market look embarrassed. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. It ain't over for me. 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 It ain't over for me.
the gold target. And that's a real target to infinity and beyond is our gold target. What are these gaps between candles? There's gaps because there was no buy or sell transaction at that exact price. We're on the 5 minute here, so if we go to even the 1 minute, you'll see even more. For example, if the highest sell order is 3105, but the lowest sell order is 3100, if someone takes it, there'll be a $5 gap. This is where gaps are created on the standard markets when you have overnight trading or whatnot, because the pre-market will already make the move and sell some shit 400 points. So when the stock market opens, BAM! We open right here. I'm planning on exiting. That's all I'm planning. I'm trying to get out of this shit. But it might be a little difficult. I might just fat finger it. Let's see if we can squeeze in another little bit right there. This should take because I'm seeing these motherfuckers. Not bad. We're back up to fucking almost where I was before, so I was able to make a pretty good chunk back. And by the way, don't be pencil neck freaking out over this. This doesn't show the amount of Bitcoin either. So oh, he only has 1.7 million now. I'm at 2.25. We'll take it. We will take it. Now, what the fuck's going on here? Okay, it's working. So we minimized the damage a good amount, minimized the damage, and we're back to fight another day. We are in to fight another day. It's been tough. It's been tough lately, folks. But that's the game. You know, it's not always going to be a smooth ride. It's not always going to be a smooth ride. Just most of the time. Most of the time. Let's take a look at some things. We are still cruising now. I'm telling you, this is a completely natural move. Completely natural. Completely natural. Completely natural. Oil. Interesting. Back at its all-time high. Gold looks like she might have a little bit more turbulence to go through. A little more turbulence to go through, but I think this is just gonna, I think this is probably just gonna bounce and chill until the eventual up move. Yeah. Hex, 45 cents. Way to go. Could see a beginning curvature down on the VWAP 6 hour. Potential curvature. Fuck, that was my Solano. This was my fucking Solano target. Shucks. do not lie in the chat. I exited my fucking trades. If you lie in the chat, dude, I'm telling you, if you lie in any of our community, dude, it pisses us off. We just closed our fucking longs. I will say this has that Head and Shoulders feel to it. This could last a little longer, looking at this time frame. And so this was a good move. It was a good bounce off. So clap for anyone who made money, and good for you. Came down a lot. 27%. All right, boys. Good stream. Good trading. See y'all next time.